Obed TV here on YouTube. You sign Eddie Shemubium. And the news bro details of the stakeholders meeting between Asante Kotoko, NSA, Ego, and other security personnel. The Honchimuno Ede Bremo Sunday 3 p.m. Kotoko and Pichim United. Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. And 3 p.m. Now, in some P and EP ba me the details nina bro. They see that you be a kind I lead it to the final conclusion. No memo send you also no you'll be well informed. No dear cause last week topic back one na adapt no so any discuss na e-ticketing. Asante Kotoko e-ticketing brouhaha/drama. Ni na se Kotoko bo aduana stars. Na wo de wani bu nipa ebegu stadium or as compared to a number e-ticketing penny for the bar on 25,000 and almost 139 or so. Less than 6,000 now. Bo nipa bebre because no mo share don one a good stadium na aman semna aye bebre. So discussions around e-ticketing started last week. Now, back one day, woman said, in an attempt to fix the problem, it was determined that a nipani bebre system no jame ebra a dom ababu stadium so mo pesoboto. So the buying of the ticket was the crucial moment, let's say 1 hour to kick off, and even after kick off, no. A day for people to purchase the ticket. That was problem back one. I'm on phone, penny phone two. Now, I'm to tickets and scan any problem. And to do or not the chra, near man of pine, not the call. So all people were doing is that they sent the code back to a yobu field. Until you pass to do another gate for front so the actual. And now someone to me scan system, Nintendo. You were getting about 3-4 people. And you use one ticket and now code Eddie because scanning no na ayasem foforo. And no pe obu onu so duru ha. And I'm say on timinto ticket nintino. Na or this scambo be say tomame. Because it was noted that ne uncle Fubu gate to take advantage of the system to enrich themselves. And ti emansem ni be deja why na area Kotoko egufo Kasai Kotoko Kasai National Sports Authority Kasai. That was last week. Now, Chelsea got Kobo Bechem United. Indeed, behind the scenes, Asante Kotoko penny for General said, sad dear way, a man fair near day and to Asia Emborn. General meeting no ebaso. Now, Mama, what led to the meeting no? Maminko meeting so. What meeting national representative from the government. Added to Asante Kotoko and himself, it is a government contract on how sales of tickets concerning events at Babara Sports Stadium and other national facilities ebe faso near town. Enti enam say e buying adwumadie no ana aban ade no aban na de contract amobi. So if you want to use the stadium, then you need to go with a nipa buying at a contract in a man. For instance, say Yamobi contract say all maintaining Babara Sports Stadium na abine the amana. Ultimate free chamber because I mean use Babara nipa ne maintaining intino. Monte niamfo from bra ni ntue nipa neka. It cannot be allowed. Into that is the first thing I made to form Emma Asante Kotoko. Now I want to say a quiet down for Asante Kotoko. Say unless the edit contract in a man cannot do the job. That is only when an alternative is required. To say, Nipano I man say bia Kotoko Babo Babara Sports Stadium and I event because of Babara Sports Stadium. You better ticket now a bia buying it here. Listen to it very careful. And fa obi show our because obi show Babo no high stadium no. Kotoko high Babara Sports Stadium. Because ye dey hang where your boy dey bejo. Ye dey hang with your obetonsuo car park everything bia that day no your transaction bia will go to the pocket of Kotoko. We and fine him ye can boom a prepare stadium new year sikana beba na ya check. And you almost see only when the contractor cannot do the job and an alternative will be required. Jeff say yeah baba sports stadium I see a use light from ECG. Yeah, the contract now will be nipa say match we mean to me mama light. Therefore, you need to go for an alternative. Until say ego officially be catchere Asante Kotoko company for say amuntimi provide services no. You have no other choice than to work with their abano at the abba and not a dear penny for and the two Kotoko anim. Now this is Kotoko stand. Now na Kotoko so LST diono and untia omenia breno. Obviously they have no problem, and I want to state it emphatically. According to my source, Asante Kotoko catchere and penny for said they have no problem with e-ticketing. But how with e-ticketing, one, a jamming of the system which prevents sales of tickets. And here first thing on the two many system na jamming a amount ton tickets no, and then first problem. Because say entimi ton ticket na say sika or no Kotoko ni benya no, it will be affected. Into obiba and obi ofie no baba ya. Now or try so to ticket in one when intimi system na nko, two when intimi system na nko. Obesi wo kwan so ahebo no baby one ya stadium okra omba. So one, jamming of tickets, sales of ticket were the last 1 hour. You do a network no to emba. You bet till emba. Two, lack of proper scanning of tickets, which creates corruption. According to my source, the Asante Kotoko DP on. One say omo say ticket no mon scan. Nipa ni duru ani amane de awuram. The amount of for the ticket ba akuba awuram efeskedi. So they listed these two problems. And they chiro say omo how near. And they need it to be fixed before Sunday. And they need massive assurance that it can be fixed before Sunday. Now, no, the two men say, the more penny easy sales of tickets no matter the time. Two, proper scanning and fast scanning at all times. Ticket in a town no matter the time. Whether after 5 minutes to the end of the game or say, as any panel call or try a simple man. Two, the scanning should be properly done. Your scanning are taken to be the bar. Now red flag as also will be scanning the room that they are manning from room. And fast scanning, proper scanning and fast scanning should be done. And we are here on the two of them. And one of my source the two of them say on the two but company for the two of them say MTN FA Cup ne matches no more bono. MTN the temporary service Eba Stadium to ensure easy access and the use of the network. So Ego should invest in the job to make it easier. Sunny at the end of the day, scanning beko smooth, sales beko smooth. But muntimi fan beto keke. Na munyi mani. Na at the end of the day no ema ho chiremba. Na according to my source, the leadership from Ego and government and Timia Kotoko assurance that they can fix the issue before Sunday. Open Timia almost assurance. Ekoye grammar. Na munya botre na musha won that grammar no as a sem one tense sudia. And I got company for the two of them according to my source that I trust. So Nchamentro said. Then if they cannot get the job done, Sunday Kotoko come back to old ticket system until further notice. Our memo assurance say problems on Kotoko reason it can be fixed. And Tisauti will be a Asante Kotoko company for a beton ticket Sunday and okre. Amamo conditions. Ebo match e-ticketing atum. Mabobo so that I mean repeat it. Until further notice. And expect a release from Kotoko as soon as possible. And now couple more channel expected. Say omo de beto omo chita for any so omo beton ticket for omo game against Bechem United. Tickets baba. And we dey free oba so Obed TV. Mapo anu me wura mu nkomo no, me wura mu pa. E na maso ne so. The SM de ba no e na me de abrel. Enti SM penfo no go back no ko investment. Enti I can confirm it to you say by Sunday this is Kotoko stand. It will go through process because stadium na nya Kotoko dia. Enti Kotoko stand I will declare ni say obeton ticket. But I can say powers at the top ebeja tum say omomen koso ana enkoso. If there's another meeting there, I'll come out with it. But this is Kotoko stand. They are even going ahead. According to my source, I'm going to go ahead. No, mama, we are seeing you know stand. It's a penny for the person back to Igbo Nidia. One of the conditions not to have, we say follow these conditions. Yeah, my nah, the baby back to it. My scan in fast. My sales go smooth no matter the time. Nipani yes or ta e mani nya how sa ajami no omon party. Now what do you think about this? Do you think going back to the ticket system will help Asante Kotoko or not? I have my opinion. There are benefits of the digitalization or the e-ticketing. One, put me to advanced ticket. Two, baby I will be out to me to you don't need to come to the stadium. But the lack of consultation, lack of consultation to properly address issues are over a year. I ran consistently on Asano because there should be consultation to fix the issues. Oh, and yes, maybe I'm work to me and I change ye say no, there should be consultations. Enti send a meme I start with VIP tickets in Kwan year turn e-tickets. Other ones year turn come. And I said that we improve the system, no send it me accommodating pressure. Until the nipa 500 grab go so be a to ticket now. They can accommodate and sell it. Again, some bit me up scanning machines be grab yaba. What I say? And now phones be a bit me scanning the fast crana kebebwa. Because it is obvious through Kotoko's investigations. Some call for the ticket back put me Musa because you're scanning at the end to the Urema. You fall for banner the chira. Or the best machine at that time, that machine I available for scanner. The better son, not ye new sui. I bet take say ye recording any pandia with them no be able to move free neck cover. One person could have say oh did 20 cities or about 20. So imagine if nipa 500, an average of 20 cities a day. What I say? If nipa 500 can manage and find their ways of getting into the system. Now say getting into the system an average of 20 cities, I are looking at almost 10,000 Ghana cedis. A class nenya. And if say match a boy against a piano or share nipa no cry kobe 8,000 near TK 5,005. But if I say job for home club administrators can one be free no crown and can number we crown cost 7,000. Yama say nipa 1,000 every free. If nipa 1,000 an average of 20 cedis you are looking at 20,000 Ghana cedis, 200 million TTC. Either sa couldn't go full bottom and I say a share club. So this consultation is necessary. Sometimes you need conflict to draw the attention of certain people for them to set up and do their job. Honestly speaking, ego for no matter what you say. Problems nearby and no fix it and that and one uncle for realize a problem. Nipa bibini ye be a pet we are can be a fan what today. So when we realize there is a problem, what we do is a fan. So when people realize that e-ticket in Aba to some extent can be fixing corruption, say there be at the end of baby I was scanning and cool. I didn't do baby any pan person to ticket in a mean too. Go for whom sad no and no use that loophole to enrich themselves instead of the parties involved, which is the clubs. And none make us over a year. Over a year. Black Stars born Nigeria that way. Over a year. They na koso sa ma yen timim fixe. Think I'm not fixes our problem now. Can they be blue timer? Kotoko AD man said they are going back to ticket system. But going back to ticket system, there are issues because ticket system na man for to me traffic tickets. E-ticket, you know, Say code ni here adwuma na bi dey ya wontimi twa fake ticket. But ticketing system amanfo timi twa fake ticket ewom. Obi timeje on titim. Eno so wo o ti a on tim. On say e-ticketing dey code. Scan ya wo hia so obetim o dey buy scan. But ticketing system on ticket no. Into oboa be 10 anokra na oje aso tim. No dey ahye ne botom aso tim na ahye ne botom. No dey afa chiro. The most ticket ato so 10 cedis no. No be turn 8 cedis, obi turn 8 cedis. Ubi san no so obi di kan to bebre. Na bomb so e kai ya benjine turn se ne memboka. O we na achi because the original ticket and team, so you cannot blame the person. One of the loopholes no. So if you are going back to it in there should be a way to fix magic man team. Me dey ahye me ho, me dey amobi we chiri mo all ton, me dey amobi abonten mo all ton, obi apprenti ono so no dey ono so dey namu all ton. There should be a way to fix all that. Yes, sir. Be say twen ho aba be see this problem. So ego for no, face the issue and let's move forward. This is the story about mama breakdown, mama opinion. What do you think? Also drop all there. Na se Obed TV mboa, ema bibia nkoyi. Ye be sen share bio. Bye bye.